Hey there, welcome to another video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that can arise when working with C++ code. The issue at hand revolves around a struct called copy_only and how it interacts with the std vector container, specifically when used in conjunction with MSVC. The main problem here is that MSVC throws an error when trying to push an object of type copy_only into a vector, complaining about a deleted move constructor. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. The root cause lies in the design of the copy_only struct, which explicitly deletes move operations. This prevents the object from being moved, leading to issues like the one we encountered with std vector. The solution is simple. Copyable classes should not actively resist moving, even if they don't have any custom move behavior. By letting moving fall back to copying, which happens automatically when you don't define move operations, you can avoid the headaches caused by explicitly deleting move constructors. In summary, the key takeaway here is to avoid explicitly deleting move operations in copyable classes. By allowing the default move behavior to kick in, you can prevent compatibility issues like the one we saw with MSVC in std vector. Remember, good class design is crucial for smooth interoperability with standard library containers. And with that, we wrap up our discussion for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. Until next time, happy coding!